as a mother.
What are you talking about?
Marty, you made him soft with all your hugs and kisses and bedtime stories.
Well, if you want another bedtime story, you better think about the next thing that comes out your mouth.
Babe, the boy just told me that I was his bully. Can you believe that?
Hell yeah.
What? Tina, you're my wife. It's supposed to be me and you against the kids.
Look, babe, I know what a good father you are and how much you love Marty, but sometimes you go a little too far when you make fun of his hobbies.
Well, no. These kids today, they're just weak. I mean, when I was coming